Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of starting a group voice call in Facebook Messenger. This full guide will show you how to connect with multiple contacts and have a voice conversation together using the Messenger app. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your device. Look for the blue icon with a white lightning bolt and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate the Calls option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access the calling feature. You'll see a telephone icon. Tap on it to start a voice call. Step 3. Next, you'll be presented with different calling options. Tap on Start a new group voice call to initiate a group voice call. Step 4. Now it's time to select the contacts you want to include in the voice call. Choose the participants from your contact list, and once you're done, tap on Next. By following these simple steps, you can easily start a group voice call in Facebook Messenger, allowing you to connect with multiple contacts and have a voice conversation together. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.